Don't hit me
I'm not
again.
getting that one. Or that one. Or I'll get that one.
It matches your helmet.
This is how I practice for riding too. 3 hours a day, I do this on each leg. Yeah, I'm just revealing all of my secrets. Yeah. So if you do this 3 hours a day on each leg, you could ride your bicycle 50 miles a day, 50 days across the country like I do.